Magas muna sila guys. Hey guys. Bro, baka inumin mo yan bro.
Let's muna.
So sporting the CF model guys. This is the NK450. Yan. Then si Tito. Hey, Z400. Siyempre with our Super Meteor. Hey, napakadumi. Okay guys, 1G na to. Okay na? Ikaw na mauna. Hindi ko rin alam yun eh.
Have you ever walked the high pass, watched the northern lights flash, took a photograph on a Paris street? Have you ever climbed a tall tree, asked someone for mercy, gave something away that wasn't free? I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're lying in bed, it's slowly gonna be the death of you. Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived? We're all on the clock here. Have you ever really lived?
Yun lang. Ano yung tinatawag na mental? Kailangan talaga kasi pag lalaki ka, may ganito kang it's either hobby, gano'n, sports. Kakaiba. I don't know kung ganun din sa babae but the way you take care of your mental health pag lalaki ka, kailangan mo ng something na medyo daring talaga eh. Pag wala kang ganito, ang hirap talaga mag-focus. Like, mentally, alam mo hindi ka okay. Nakakatulong talaga po sa amin yung pagmumotor. And after this, you get to smile a lot. You're happier. So, yeah. So, dito, sabi ko, play safe lang kami.
Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived? We're all on the clock here. In the blink of an eye, you were gone. So for once in your life, try the deeper water, feel the pull of whatever is out there, and ask yourself this once: have you ever really lived? Just be honest, now. Is this really how you wanna go? And if you don't, it ain't too late to turn it around. Have you ever really
Di ba patagay na to?
Oo.
Hanap gusto natin yung kapiyan na favorite natin, yung
Sige.
matuwa tayo naman. Yung sa looban.
Yung may scoot, ano? Scooteria.
Scooteria, yan.
Okay, scooteria tayo. Ano lang guys, okay pa yung mga motor namin guys, hindi kami sa Memplang. Tapos na yung mga ride na may Semplang.
Tapos na yun.
Wala na, hindi na mauulit yung may Semplang.
Ganon.
Wala nang ganon. Anong MT?
Nakuha mo lahat yung maganda.
Ginagamit niyo lagi yun sir, yung MT?
Hindi.
Pero kamusta? Kamusta yung performance?
Maganda siya pang ano.
Babe, ready ka na? Garide na tayo ha. Babe, kumapit ka babe ha. Okay, muna ka na.
Long nights, get out of the city where the stars are shooting out. Long chairs, baskets full of sugar, no one hears us when we shout. Got a fire lit, the smoke until we quit, until your parents find us out. But even if they do, we'll sneak around.
Nandito kami ngayon guys sa Scooteria and Ano to? Tambayan ng mga motorista dito sa may Tagaytay. Medyo hidden lang siya ng konti but it's a good place to hang out. So ayan, malawag yung parking and parang bagay ka talaga dito pag nagmamotor ka. Parang gusto kong kumain. Hindi ka pwede sa kape, no? Ano lang ako, Amerikano. Ito na kami ngayon guys and so parang ano talaga to, pang best pa. Sa bagay, scooteria, so talaga mga scooter. Mayayain kami guys, kaya dito lang kami sa tabi.